enables us to manipulate data within the database using three fundamental operations. First is insert into. With the insert into statement, we can add new records or rows to a table. This operation is essential for inserting fresh data into the database. Update. The update statement allows us to modify existing records within a table. It empowers us to make changes to specific columns, updating the data as needed. Then delete. The delete statement enables us to remove unwanted records from a table. It's a powerful operation but requires caution to avoid accidental data loss. By mastering these data manipulation techniques, we gain control over the information stored in our databases. SQL's capability to add, modify, and delete data efficiently em- dat- data efficiently empowers us to maintain data accuracy, keep information up to date, and manage data effectively. These operations are vital for keeping